How to log in into CashApp account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in CashApp login and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Over here, you're gonna find different website options. Click on the very first one, CashApp login. CashApp is a mobile payment service available in the United States and the United Kingdom that allows users to transfer money to one another. Standard transfers also charge no fees and take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Once you land to the login page, now all you have to do is type in your CashApp credentials, type in the username or the phone number. You can use any of the option of your choice. For now, I'm going to select the option of email address. After you type in, click on continue. With that, you will land to this page where you have to type in the code. You'll receive code in your phone number or email address that is linked with your account. So you have to check and type in the code over here. After you type in the code, you have to click on the option of continue, and with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can log into your CashApp account on PC. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.